How to fix add topic option not showing on Instagram Reels. So if you want to fix add topic option not showing on your Instagram Reels, then what you need to do is first you need to check your internet connection. Once you have a stable internet connection, now you just need to simply open up your Play Store. After that, go with search. Under search, you need to search for Instagram. Once you've searched, if you have any updates under your Instagram, then you just need to simply go with updates and update your Instagram application. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. You need to open up your Instagram and check for the option if it's available. But if it's not, then what you need to do is just tap and hold on to your Instagram application, go with the app info. Once you're under your app info, now you need to go with storage and cache, and you need to go with clear cache. Once you clear your cache, then your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to uninstall your Instagram application. And after uninstalling, again install it from your App Store or your Play Store and log into your account, and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't, then you need to turn on a VPN. You can simply choose any VPN that you're comfortable with, whichever VPN that you have on your device. And once you turn it on, you need to go and search for the topic option, and you'll find that option. If it's not available in your region, then after opening or after turning on your VPN, then you will have that option. So that's how you can fix add topic option not showing on your Instagram Reels. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.